What's up, guys? I just want to make this quick video before I leave. I did open box number 2 of Rookies and Stars, but I could not get it all on camera. Once again, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm going to go through a recap of what I got. You guys probably already seen in the title. This box was pretty good, but you'll see that. First, I'm going to go through the number cards. Austin Hooper out of 75. Travis Kelce out of 49. Von Miller Purple Crusade out of 49. Steve Smith Sr. out of 75. Great American Heroes Red Steve Young out of 99. And a Jameis Winston Ticketmasters out of 10. I'm going to go to the relics. Got another Von Miller shirt card, which is basically like a bonus. A Carter Lewis dual color patch out of 49. Now for the autos. Got a redemption longevity signatures true blue. I believe that'll be numbered out of 49 of Hunter Henry. And a jersey auto of Paul Perkins, numbered out of 49. Yes, I did leave 3 cards behind, which is the 3 best cards in my opinion. Got a Joey Bosa, 48 of 49, true blue rookie. And the 2 Elliotts that you see in the title. Got a longevity numbered 61 of 75. Sweet. This would be my third numbered Elliott after those 2. And no, I did not get an auto. A 2 color patch, barely blue at the stitching at the bottom of Elliott, numbered out of 49. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. I'll have box 3 uploaded either tomorrow or the next day. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.